Hi, Ahmed. It's Mrs. Sheen. How are you doing? I got your email and you had a question about my comments for the journal. So I wanted to try to explain in a video because I thought it would be easier than trying to write out what I wanted to say. So when I look at your numbers, they seem a little strange to me. For example, 550 to 100. Do you mean to 1,000? Because that doesn't really tell me your speed. That is much too big of a range. All right. And you shouldn't have a range. You should have a speed. And the reason why I'm thinking about that is when I go to Spreeder, and let me go there now and show you what I mean. Okay. This is Spreeder. Okay. I pasted in uh, a an article to read. And when you're in Spreeder, you will choose your speed. You get to choose your own speed. So you go here to settings and you choose. So for example, I might choose 150 words per minute to start. Or I might choose, let's say 300. Okay, so if I read 300 words per minute, that is my speed on this assignment. Do you see what I mean? So when I'm at my journal, I'm going to write here, sorry, I had to go make sure I was on the right page. So when I'm here in my journal, I'm going to write, okay, I set the spreader at 300. Okay, words per minute. Okay, now this number is probably correct. That was your comprehension score. That was your grade, basically, on the quiz. Your comments are fine. Okay, that's what you thought about how you did. Okay, but now here, this number doesn't make sense, 96. Because look up here. You said you read 550 words per minute. Why would you set a goal 400 points less for next week? So this number I don't understand. So what this number should be is how fast you want to read next week. So if you let's look at my example for now. If I read 300 words per minute this week and I got a 94%, that's great. 80% or higher means you're successful and you can try to read faster the next week. So when you go to Spreeder next week, you'll go in and you'll again go to settings. Okay, and when you go to settings, you're going to change it and make it 25 words per minute faster. So now it'll be 325. Okay, that's what I want to do next week because next week I want to read faster. So I will go here and I will set a goal that next week I want to um, read 325 words per minute. Okay, we don't want to go faster than 25 words per minute faster because that's too drastic a goal. All right, and then oops, it's not letting me do that. Okay, and then my comprehension goal should not be, it could be 97%, but since I'm reading faster, maybe I want to be a little conservative. I hope I can pass at 80%. Okay, and so this should be written in a percentage, and this should be written as a WPM. Okay, and then so next week I'll try 325 and I'll record here 325, and then I'll write what my comprehension score was, and I'll set goals for the next time. Okay, does that help you? Now, it's possible that your numbers mean what I'm saying, but it doesn't make sense to me that if you read, for example, 300 words per minute, why? Why would you only read 96 words per minute the next time? No, you would go for 325 words per minute. Okay, and this shouldn't be a range because if you used Spreeder, as I said before, you get to set the speed. It's one number, not a range of numbers. Okay, so this was my thinking when I made these comments over here, okay, on your assignment. Okay, that's why I gave you a 5 because I don't understand the numbers and what they meant. Okay, so hopefully this makes more sense for you for next time. Okay, and if you have more questions, you can go ahead and email me again. And I already reset the quiz that you wanted for you. Okay, all right. Thanks very much, Ahmed. Hope